Cambodia's e-visa application is a pretty straightforward process. Once you've gone to the official website, which I've linked in the description below, just go ahead and scroll on down to where it says Apply Now. Go ahead and click Apply Now. First, you're going to want to enter in this CAPTCHA. Once you've done that, click Apply Now. On this page, you're going to fill in your personal information. You're also going to need to attach your passport. You're going to need to fill in your passport details. You're also going to need to provide your travel details. If you're going just as a tourist, go ahead and select that tourist only option. Include your hotel reservation documents and any other supporting documents you may have. Be sure to look at your intended date of entry carefully and also note where you're going to be entering Cambodia. So that's that port of entry. Once you've completed this, go ahead and click Next. On this page, you're going to review your application details. Go through, make sure that everything is correct. You haven't missed out anything, your passport details are correct, your email address is correct because that's going to be where your visa is sent to. So if it's wrong, you're not going to be able to get your visa. So definitely check that your email address is correct. Once you've reviewed everything, you're happy with your application, go ahead and click I agree with terms and conditions and then click Submit. On this page, you're going to select your payment method. Once you've selected your payment method, it's going to have a pop-up that comes up. You're going to enter in your card details and you're going to pay. And once you've done that, go ahead and click Confirm. Once your payment has gone through, that's basically it. Keep an eye on your inbox for your visa. Print out a copy. I printed out about 5 copies just in case. They did put it in my passport, whereas I saw some tourists, they didn't put it in their passport. They just got a stamp. But make sure you take copies with you. Make sure it's in color. And it's that easy.